everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing another cash stuffing my house sinking funds, and today we're going to be stuffing a total of $720. So let's go ahead and take our money out and count it. This looks a little rough, but this is my cash breakdown that I took with me to the bank. And let's just count our money to make sure that we have everything that we need. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead and organize this. So let's see. All right, now that we got everything organized, we are going to go ahead and pull out our house sinking funds and start with vacation. So today, vacation is going to be getting $100. So we're just going to take a $100 bill and count this up. So in vacation, we have 100, 200, sorry, I'm stuck together, hold on. So in vacation, we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, so that's 680, 90, and 700. Did I do that correctly? Hold on. We have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 620, 640, 660, 680, 685, 690, 695, 700. Yes, $700 in vacation. So we can go ahead and fill in another airplane to show that we have reached the $700 mark for vacation, and ultimately we want to get to $1,500. So that's the goal. So let's put this back. Next up, we have anniversary, and we are going to put in $100 in anniversary as well. So now anniversary has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, $600 in anniversary. And we can fill in another suitcase here because we usually like to take a trip for anniversary, and that's what we were saving for. So we have $600 in anniversary. I'm just gonna let that dry. And then for house savings, we are going to put in $300 in house savings. So we're gonna take $100 to $300. And we're gonna put that in here. So we have in prop money, which represents money in the bank, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7, 8, 9, 10,000. This should be 11,000. Hold on. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4, 5, 6. These are so annoying. They're so thin. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11,000 here. What I'm actually gonna do is I have these like prop placeholders that I made, and I'm just gonna take 2 of these out and kind of put these in just to see how I like it. So there's 11,000 there, and then we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 2, 4, 6, 8, 900, 2, 4, 6, 8, 85. So 11,985 is what we should have in here. 11,985. Okay, we're not at 12,000 yet, so I will not fill in another. And then for Valentine's Day, we are going to put in $100. And this will most likely be for our dinner, our date on Valentine's Day. So right now we have $101. So we're just gonna fill in our tracker because last cash stuffing we only had $1 in here. So working our way to 130 for date night for Valentine's. So I'm just gonna go ahead and color all of this in. So we have our 101. And then for gifts, we are going to be putting in $50. We're going to take 2 20s and 2 5s. So that's 50. And we're just going to go ahead and put this in gifts. And this is for anybody, our friends, our family, birthdays. We just have this sinking fund here. We can use money out of this. So we have 100, 120, 140, 145, 150 in gifts. Okay. The emergency fund, we are going to be putting $50 in emergency fund. So again, 2 20s and these 2 5s here. So let's count this up. 2 20s and 2 5s. Okay. Alright, so we have 100, 200, 300, 320, 340, 360, 380, 385, 390, 395, 400, 5, 10, 15, 20. So we have 420 in our emergency fund. We have 420 in here. $420. Okay, and we want to get to $1,000 this year. That's that. And lastly, we have Christmas, which is going to get the last $20 bill here. And that will wrap up our cash stuffing for my house sinking funds. So thank you all for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Please also be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first to know. So thanks so much for stopping by the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.